Happy May! It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make our teen take and make kit for this month, which is a Paracord bracelet. So pick up your free kit at Columbus or Saluda Library to make an awesome Paracord bracelet. So you'll just need the kit, a pair of scissors, and an adult with a lighter to complete this project. Let's get started. Okay, I'm really excited about this project because I've already made one of these bracelets and it worked so well, and I was just so happy that I could figure out the knotting and everything, because that's usually something I'm not very good at. But I found a YouTube video that was very good, and so now I'm going to show you what I learned from that. So in your kit you have one piece of the paracord, and then you have a clip. So you want to go ahead and take that clip apart, and then we're going to attach the paracord to one side of the clip. So you're going to find the two open ends of your paracord, and then you're going to put them both through one side of the clip, and you're going to pull them all the way through, and then make sure, well, we'll just pull them through, but when we do it at the end, we'll make sure it's not twisted up or anything. So you're going to pull it all the way through until you have a little loop on the other end. And then, mine is all twisted up. There we go. Then you're going to feed the other end back through, if that makes sense. We're just basically knotting it. So it's a lot of string, so you just gotta keep pulling, 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 and then you'll have a knot that attaches to that one side of your clip. Okay, now next we're gonna find that other end, and we're gonna feed it through your other clip. Some of the clips are different. Some might have kind of two slits right there, but you're just going to feed it through the top, and then we're going to pull those all the way through. And then this is where you're going to measure. I'm going to make sure these are all lined up properly. You're going to measure your wrist. So if you want it to be kind of loose, the last one I made was a little tighter than I would prefer. So you're just going to kind of measure it, and it's going to fit you like that. So I'm going to make mine a little loose. Let's see. So I think I'm going to do about that much just to make it a little loose. So just measure your wrist and put the clips as far apart as your wrist measurement. Okay, so now you're going to take the end that has the strings coming out, and you're going to have one going to the right and one going to the left. And then this is where we are going to start braiding our bracelet. So we're going to start with the left side, and you're going to bring that long string across. All right, then the right side, you're going to bring that strip, that side of the string, in front, and then you're going to bring it under and through that loop on the left side, and then you're going to tighten it. All right. So hopefully that made sense to you. So we're going to do it again, and you're just going to keep doing this, and you're going to alternate between starting on the left and starting on the right. So we started on the left last time, so now we're going to do the right. We're going to bring the right over, and we're going to bring the left in front, and then we're going to pull it behind, and then tighten. So you're going to stop after every one and tighten it. Alright, so we're going to keep doing just that pattern the whole way. So left, cross it over the middle, right, cross it on top, and then loop it under the left loop. You can see it looks kind of like a pretzel before you pull it tight. Then you're going to pull it tight. And then if you forget whether you are supposed to do the left or the right next, how I remember is I find this part of the bracelet and whatever side this loop is on, if that's, then probably doesn't make sense. That's where you're going to start. So wherever this, yeah, that loop is on. So I'm going to start on the right. So I go over the middle, the left goes over that, and then loop it under, pull it tight. So now you see this side is the one that has the place where we start. Yeah, I don't know the word for that. All right, left over the middle, right over that string, pull it through the back of the left side, and pull tight. I will also include a link to the YouTube video I watched because that was super helpful for me. All right, so I see now my full loop is on the right side, so that's where I'm going to start. Right over the middle, left over that one, pull the left string under, and tighten. Start with the left over the middle, right string over, pull it under, and tighten. Alright, so we're going to do that until we braid the whole bracelet, and then we will come back to finish it up. Alright, so I am finishing up here. Isn't that beautiful? I just love how symmetrical it is, and I'm just so proud of myself for being able to do this weave. So I'm finishing up. So I think the word I wanted for this is side loop. So you use, let's make sure the camera's in focus. The side loop that is finished, that's the side you're going to start with next. So I'm finishing up left over, right over the left string, pull it through the back of the loop, oops, and tighten. Okay, now the side loop is on the right side, so we're going to start right over the middle, left over the right, pull the left behind the right loop, and tighten. Alright, and I think that's about the last knot I can get in my beautiful bracelet. So now we're going to finish it up. Okay, so for our final step, we are going to need scissors and an adult with a lighter. We're going to singe the edges, but want to make sure we don't burn ourselves on the melted paracord, so please have an adult with a lighter help you. Alright, so we're going to cut the strings off, cut it pretty close to the edge there. Oops. I didn't cut mine super well, but that is where the lighter is going to come in handy. So you're going to cut both strings off. And now the adult with the lighter will singe the ends. That just means melt it down. And then the adult can wait a minute for that to cool. And then if you want to press it in, just to kind of make it blend in with the rest of the bracelet. Ta-da! Now you have a new, beautiful paracord bracelet. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this project, and I will see you at our upcoming teen events.